Hey, welcome back to my wood shed project. It's been a rainy yesterday, so skipped yesterday. It was a Friday, didn't do much. Well, didn't do much outside. But today, being a Saturday, is somewhat nice. The morning was rainy, but now it's okay. So we're gonna get back at it. Half the day is, gone already, but at least I managed to do a few things here. So we've got this setup here with a nice little work table. There's Ollie again. You'll see him throughout the video probably. And that's what I left off with on Thursday. So today we're going to be chopping wood and hopefully getting the posts up and probably some other stuff too. So we'll see how that goes. Let me tell you a little bit about this project. So here are my little plans, kind of crudely drawn up, but it's just for me to know. So basically, we've got the perimeter here as a kind of flat space, and I don't care everything behind here. Don't care about, because I'm mostly working in this area. So we've got our fencing here. It's 5 feet high, 24 and 2-inch long here. Here we got 10 foot 2-inch to the rocks. Each one of these fence post sections is 6 foot 1-inch width. So you've got a full 12 foot 2-inch width here for our wood fire shed. And I measured my smoker grill here too because I wanted to place it here. It's in a different spot right now. So the supports, the columns, something holding it together, and then the kind of beams holding it. And then these are taller than the back, so it's kind of a slope. And then you've got kind of like little joists hanging off of it. And the whole thing is wider all over, so you've got a roof that's kind of hanging beyond the structure itself to keep the wood dry. So that's basically it, and I just started to figure out what I have for materials. But then I refined it a little bit, and this makes kind of more sense and is more of the design I'm going to go with. So side profile, see the back, shorter than the front, and then you've got 4x4 posts holding up kind of the floor. So I'm going to have a 4x4 kind of perimeter all around. Probably inside I'll have little mini kind of floorboard kind of joists holding it together, and then planks on top for the floor, because I want to keep the wood off of the floor. I thought about not doing this at all and just putting pallets underneath and holding the wood. That would be fine too. It's another option if you wanted to use less wood. But I wanted just to have everything built in all in one. And then I thought of, because it's going to be slanted, so I thought of including kind of like a shelf. So this will be also for structural support, rigidity, and it can function as a shelf. So I'll have little slats going across this front to back, and I can store some stuff in there. I don't know what yet, but we'll see. Maybe tools, maybe plastic boxes with stuff in them. I don't know. And then for the roof, basically you have two large kind of, say, I don't know what these are, headers you would say, for the roof rafters to go on top. And I'll have a bird's mouth cut here so that it'll fit here and here nicely. I don't know yet how I'm going to fix it. Maybe a Simpson tie or something like that. We'll see. And then yeah, this is just like the front profile, and then little supports here, 4x4 diagonal, and I'll through screw everything essentially. So all these are going to be through screwed with 6-inch screws. I think 6 inches enough. It'll you know, it'll penetrate through the 4-inch and then have 2 inches of screw into the material, which I think is enough. Should hold fine. Yeah, so that's the basic design. We've got our 4x4 posts. We're gonna have to chop them down a little bit, get them to be the approximate size we need first. Let's see, how big do I want the front to be? It's going to be higher anyway. It's going to be like this high once the roof's on it. Close to 7 feet. 6'2". Let me do it. 6'2". So instead of 6'2", I'll go with 6'4". That way, any unevenness, once I snap the line, make it level, I'll be cutting off from the tops of each post a certain amount. We don't know what that is yet. Yeah, 6'4". Here we go. It's just a scrap piece I had from another project, but I noticed this height was almost perfect here. Now it's nice and level on the surface of the table saw. Here we go. Here we go. 5/8. Yay. Got the 5/8. Actually, let's cut all these at 5/8. I got my 3 pieces, and they've got these stupid corners on them, like you see here. That's okay. Yeah, let's fit them. Hey, buddy. I know you want to play. Oh. Yeah, you want me to kick it? Okay, ready? 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 Well, you grabbed it. Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah, let me show you how this looks like and what the slope looks like approximately. So, like that. I think that's a good slope. Not too much, not too little. It's going to stick out beyond the fence because I want the water to shed kind of beyond the fence. I think that'll make sense. So I'm going to cut these smaller pieces out that I have here and here. And I'll link everything front to back so that it's all at least a little more secure. You're on video, Ollie. Yeah, I know. Okay. Yeah, so let's chop these down. Measure one more time here just to make sure. That's very close. I mean, a little bit. I can trim it a little bit, just like I did the other guy. Uh-oh. Ollie. Ollie. Mr. Ollie. Mr. Ollie. He does this to himself too. Like, he gets right under the saw, gets all dirty, and now he's looking for lights. It's not gonna give you lights, buddy. There's no sun. Mm-hmm. There you go. Now it's good. And I can compare all of them to each other just to make sure. So let's see. Pretty flat there. That's very flat. And not bad. I mean, it's off by like a 32nd or something, maybe. Not even. Pretty good. And what about the third guy? Flat. Flat. And yeah, it's a little less, but I mean, again, it's like barely noticeable. Let's see. Yeah, pretty good. Not bad. Not bad for the equipment I'm working with, and we all gotta do the best we can with what we have. All right, next up, installing these. I will get some tools for that because I need my screws, the 6-inch ones I bought, and I also need my screwdriver, electric screwdriver, and I think that's it. No, I'll get a square too. I want the square to line up where the holes will be. Yep.